Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Round 6, WA Speed Event Series, Pendeen Sprint. Let's get into it. This trying to run me over. A few cars here today. Got the M2, got Tina again. 86s. The usual fast as hell Rexes. Some classics. Alright, we're about to go out for our sighting lap. We do have a bit of a challenging one today. We're on semi-slicks, it's cold, I can't really get heat into them, and it's sort of wet and damp, as you can see. So, it's going to be fun. Going to try and take it easy and keep it off the curbs. That's the main thing for today. So let's get into it. We're out on the sliding lap. It's dry in some places, but it's definitely wet in some other spots. So it should be interesting. Here the boys. Alright guys, we're heading out for a practice run. Let's see what this track's really like. Some really wet patches in the braking areas, so I'm intrigued to see how that goes, but we'll see how it goes. Practice runs are supposed to be 50%, they say. Alright boys, 50%, but it's probably just over 50%. Let's have a look. Get some heat in the tyres and the brakes.
Yeah, that just between reading.
Hey, finishing up practice run, and then we'll get into the time runs. Alright guys, first time run. The weather's sort of holding out, so hopefully we can put a decent time down, keep it off the curbs. Don't think we're chasing a PB today, but we'll see how we go. Alright boys, let's try and get a nice clean one, get it on the board. Not going to push too hard. Just want to get one on the board first, and we'll start pushing after that. Oh, these tyres are cold. I don't think, but we got one on the board, so we'll take it. Those tyres are cold. Got nothing on the front, but that's to be expected. Hopefully we can put a bit more heat in them before the next couple of laps. Alright guys, second time run. See if we can get a better one on the board. It was actually pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that time for one just to put on the board. I think it might even have us in the top 5 in class, but we'll see. If that's faster or not. They're a little bit messier, but we'll have to wait and see. Another one on the board though. Third time run guys. Super stoked with the last run. Got a PB. Had no expectations of PBs coming into this today, so pretty happy with that. The weather might come across again, so I think we might have hit our window for track conditions, but we'll wait and see. From here it's keeping the car in one piece, having some fun. Let's do it. See how we go. Yeah, don't know if that was any better, but definitely had some fun on that one. Alright guys, our last time run. Let's have some fun. A fun one. Falcon's in one piece once again, boys. We finished the event. We'll have to wait and see how the final results settle, and I'll get back to you guys. But for me, another successful event.
And he's coming back.
Well, there you have it guys, round's over, Pendeen sprint done, and we actually came away with some really awesome results. We ended up 5th overall outright, which is, I've never got in the top 5 outright ever, so gotta love the Falcon for doing that. And we finished 4th in class, which shows you the calibre of some of the guys that I'm driving with and competing with. But super happy with that. We also pulled out a PB, so for the whole weekend, a 5th and a 4th in class, and taking home some cut points, so overall points with a 5th and a 10th. Super stoked. So basically it's just up to Collie in a month. We're down there for another double round. It's probably going to be wet, so that'll be interesting, but super stoked for the weekend. We had a good time, cars in one piece. As always, thanks to the sponsors, Music from Murray, Great Western Lawns. Appreciate your help. You guys for watching. Till next one, see you later.